In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Snapchat account. If you've decided to take a break or step away from Snapchat, this walkthrough will guide you through the official process and help you understand what happens to your account afterward. Quick tip before we begin. Deleting the app from your phone does not deactivate your account. You'll need to use Snapchat's account portal to do this properly. Start by opening any web browser on your phone or computer and heading to accounts.snapchat.com/accounts delete account. Make sure you see the official Snapchat domain in the address bar so you know you're in the right place. This page is designed specifically for account deactivation and deletion, and it works the same across devices. Next, sign into your Snapchat account. Use the username or email you normally use along with your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the verification prompts. This step simply confirms that you're the rightful owner of the account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Delete My Account page. Here, Snapchat asks you to confirm the deactivation by re-entering your username and password and then selecting Continue. This confirmation is important so you don't deactivate your account by mistake. After you submit, you should see a message that your account has been deactivated. Here's what that means. Your account immediately enters deactivation mode for 30 days. During this period, your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, your profile won't be visible, and you won't be able to send or receive snaps or chats. Think of it as a cooling off window. Your account is hidden, but not yet gone. If you change your mind within those 30 days, you can restore your account simply by logging back in with the same username and password. Logging in reactivates your account and brings it back online. If you don't log in during those 30 days, Snapchat will proceed with permanent deletion, and you won't be able to recover your account, your snaps, or your chats after that point. A few closing tips to keep things smooth. Consider setting a reminder for the 30-day deadline so you don't miss it if you intend to return. Only enter your login on the official Snapchat site and never share your password with anyone. And remember, uninstalling the app alone won't deactivate your account. The portal is the key step. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Follow these steps and you'll successfully deactivate your Snapchat account.